Okay, so next we continue to create a chart. Okay, so this we are using the same data. Again, we change to this sheet to student data. Then we create new sheet. Okay, and we write the title. So lesson 4. Okay, creating charts. Okay, we want to create a chart for male versus female. Okay, we can rename this sheet as a chart. Okay, click insert. Okay, then you choose this type of chart. Okay, for this example I will choose 2D pie. Okay, and then you can select the type of chart that you want. Okay, for example I choose 2D pie. Okay, so we move here and then we select data. So this is a select data source, charge range, charge data range. So select data source, we will refer to this sheet. Okay, so make sure your cursor here and then you click for student data. Okay, and then it will show you equal to student data. So student data refer to this sheet name. Okay, then we select data range for male and female. Okay, so for this cell, okay, so we go to male and female. Then we click OK. So now we have our pie chart. Okay, we can change our chart title to male versus female. Okay, so for this title we can change the colors. Okay, we go home, then choose these colors, and then you can change the size of font, the type of font. Okay, so we have done our first chart, pie chart. So at this symbol we have chart element, so you click for chart element, then we can write our chart title here. Okay, and then we put data label. So data label will refer to how many students represent for this student, male and female. Okay, so legend refer to this legend. So we check this one. You can put the legend at the right or at the top or at the left or at the bottom. Okay, so for this example, let's say we put at the bottom. Okay, so we can resize this chart. Okay, so we finish one examples of chart. So I will show you the next examples for this chart. So we go to insert. So this time we choose for 2D column. Okay, so let's say I choose this one, clustered column. Okay, so we move here. Okay, so now select data. Okay, select data source, charge data range. So make sure your cursor you put in this chart data range, and then you click at the student data, and then we choose, okay, so equal to student data, then we choose male and female. Okay, 5 and 7. So these are cell J3. Okay, so J3. Okay, and then K3. Okay, J4 and K4. Okay, so we will select. Okay, so I will do it again. So this one. Okay, so okay. So let's say I show you again. Okay, so select data. Okay, and then we go to student data, then you choose this one. Okay, male and female. So then we click OK. So now we get this data. Sorry. Okay. Okay, so we can change the chart title. Okay, so we put as male, okay, versus female. Okay, so now we can change these colors for our title. Sorry. Okay, okay, so this time around, so let's say we choose. Okay, so now we change to. Cannot see it clear. Okay, male versus female. Okay, so for pie chart, we only have 3 chart elements. Okay, if we using the column, so we have more chart element. Okay, so for x-axis, okay, so we put this x-axis. So you have for graph, yeah, for this axis y, this for axis x. Okay, so we can put the axis title. So make sure you know how to read the data. Okay, so this one will refer to your so delete this one. Okay, they will refer to the number of students. Okay, so we can resize this one. Yeah. Okay, so we can read number of students. Okay, for axis title, this one we refer to gender. Okay. Okay, so now we go to another element. So let's say we want to choose data label. So it will show this figure for male and female. Okay, and then if we choose data table, it will show in the table. Okay, so we can reduce this one. Okay, so we make it small. So we can adjust it. All right. Okay, so now so we have this kind, and we go to another element. Okay, so let's say we're using legend. Okay, so legend will show you this one for series. Okay, all right, so we don't need to. Okay, so we try here too. Okay, so series 1, yeah, will refer to gender. Yeah. Now we go to select data. Okay, so series 1, we want to change this name, series 1. Okay, so we edit. Okay, so series name. Okay, so series name, we go to student data, then we have gender. Yeah, you click this one. Okay, then you click OK. So automatically will change to gender. Yeah, it will refer to legend entries, refer to gender. Then we click OK. So now they have changed you for gender. All right. So we can delete this one. Okay. Okay. So to get these colors, so I'm using the solid fill. Okay, then we choose this one. Okay, you can change it. Okay, all right, so you can choose any colors. All right, and then if we want to we don't want this grid line, okay, then we just uncheck for the grid line. Okay, so we have finished our 2 types of chart. Okay, the first one I'm using the pie chart. The second one we are using the 2D columns. Okay, so if you want to make another type of chart, so you can choose this kind of chart. So we have scatter, okay, and then we have histogram, okay, tree map, okay, 2D, 3D bar, 2D column, 2D bar, 3D bar. Okay, so for each of these chart, okay, you must choose a type of chart based on the data that you want to create your graph. Not all graphs suitable for all kind of data. Yeah, you have to choose that kind of data chart, yeah, based on your selected data. Okay, so that's all for this topic, lesson 4, creating chart. So see you in the next lecture. Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.